Good morning everyone, welcome to Siargao. It's currently like 6 a.m. I have a boat trip today. I'm getting picked up in like 10 minutes. It's like almost sunrise out here. It's so beautiful. I'm going on this boat trip today. I wanted to go on this boat trip for a long time. It's a super cool boat trip and it's gonna take like all day. And I'm actually going alone because my friends here were like, have to wake up at 6 a.m. and they're 5:30 actually, so that's why no one wanted to come with me. I'm going alone. I am quite tired though, not gonna lie, but I do think it will be worth it. I'm currently staying at Bravo Hotel, which isn't on like booking.com or anything, but they actually have like a dorm room, and I think it's the nicest dorm room I've ever stayed in. If you guys come to Siargao, make sure to check out Bravo. I booked it through their website. That's the update. Can't wait to take you guys along with me. We've been sailing for like, I think 2 hours, and we just arrived at Sohoton Cove. I think we have to change to like a smaller boat now. I don't really know what's going on. Hello, good morning. I don't really know what's going on. It's very beautiful. Sorry? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, but thank you.
There's something missing. Your lips. I need a kiss. 'Cause every single thing that you do, it makes me fall just so much deeper in love with you.
I only know salamat here.
Salamat.
Yeah, nothing else.
So we just finished swimming.
I mean, usually not a big.
Yeah, me too. Oh no, it's okay. I'm taking a video for it. Yeah. We finished swimming in the Jellyfish sanctuary. It was actually really cool. There was way more than I was expecting, but it was also a little bit scary. But look, there's so many. Yeah, that was definitely 10 out of 10 experience. Super cool. So we're going into this cave now. We have to hold our breath to like swim under and go in. And then apparently it's like bioluminescent on the inside. Let's see, I'll take my GoPro, but it's a little bit scary.
What's your step, mom? Mom,
Me?
you can use slippers, please.
Oh, should I put slippers on?
Okay, I got it. Step. No.
Here?
What's your
Wait.
Are you okay, mom?
Yes. Oh, it's dark in here. Wow.
What's your step? We have small bats. Yep.
I didn't even see.
And the smallest bat.
Your head, mom.
Which leg? Boy, ini rin cellphone mo, ano? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Nice one.
Okay, so we're back now from being on the smaller boats. We're back like where we got dropped off with the bigger boats. I think we're going for lunch now, but guys, that was so fun. Like, that was really, really, really fun. The cave thing, the jellyfish thing, all of it was like insane. I like that it was all like activities to do and not just like, oh, here's a lagoon, look at it. It was like, oh, you know, like actually doing stuff. So that was really, really cool. So far, I really recommend this tour. And just everything is just so beautiful. Like, look at this. Yeah. And the guides have been amazing. Really fun. These boats are like tiny though. Like, we were just sitting on the sides there. It somehow works. But yeah, it's like 12:30 now. I think we have lunch soon. I'm very much looking forward to lunch. Also, I've literally like jumped in the water and gone swimming and stuff, and my mascara still looks perfect and it's not even waterproof. Lash Sensational just hits different always. Look at that, that's actually insane. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so we finally come for lunch. We ended up waiting on the other island for like ages. There's always music in the Philippines, guys. Finally got some lunch. This is the spread. Bit limited vegetarian options, but looks good. This is the view. Everyone else is down there. I was like, nah, I'll come up here and chill for a bit on my own. But yeah, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. Later, it's 6:42. Got back from my boat trip. That was a long day. I'll explain all of it later. I'm reunited with John. He went surfing today, and now we're going for dinner. Yeah, I can't get my camera to work right now. That's why I'm just vlogging on my phone. But went to dinner, super nice. Came back to the room, packing up my stuff. Tomorrow I go to El Nido. I'm so excited. I'm going alone. But I already know some friends at the hostel that I met in Bali, so that's going to be really exciting. I just wanted to tell you about the boat trip today. So basically, it was like a super, super cool experience. Like, it was one of the coolest boat trips I've done, but there was just a lot of waiting involved, and I think it kind of went over time of what it should. So I would say if you do this tour, do it privately if you can afford it, because it's just a lot of waiting around. But it was really, really cool. It was just really long for no reason. And I'm sorry I didn't really like talk through it. There was just so many people on the boat and I felt really awkward and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. See you tomorrow when I go to El Nido.